What's up, Smelly Bones? It's Nimble, and we're going to go through the map pool for the Wingman tournament. The first map we're going to take a look at is Fracture. You're going to be able to strike to Fracture A site or B site, and they're very similar. Fracture A site is a little bit defender-sided. With the door and the drop, it's kind of hard for the attackers to enter in. But on the B site, all of that is open, and it's a lot easier to take space for the attackers. Next up is Split B site. Split has B main and mid open, so that there's a couple ways the attackers can take the site. The next map is Ascent A site. So this has all of mid open, so there's a couple different ways to get to A, and the attackers can slow play it for a lurk, or they can just rush out A main. Next up is Pearl. Pearl is very similar to Ascent. It's A site only, and all of mid is open, so it gives a lot of opportunity for lurk plays to be on the table. The last two maps are fast and aggressive. Starting off with Icebox A site, there's only A main, but with the rope and the belt and the multiple vertical levels, you can be a little tricky with your offense. The final map is Lotus A site only. This is also a very aggressive map. You have to push A main, but you can use the door to make it a little tricky for the defenders. So that covers all the maps that are going to be used in the Valorant Wingman tournament. So how the pick order is going to work is you're going to flip for turn, then one person's going to ban, the next is going to ban, then y'all will both pick a map, then you'll ban until only one map remains. My recommendation is that if you think you can out-aim your opponents, strike to Icebox or Lotus, and if you want to have a slower play or more of a normal game plan, try to use one of the other maps like Ascent, Pearl, or Split. I'm really excited to see how this Valorant Wingman tournament turns out. And if you want to be notified when the VODs are up, just subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll upload all of those VODs as soon as they're available. Thanks.